Hey everybody, it's Dr. Quinn here. I'm going to go over Module 6 and give you some feedback just so you can sort of see what the module entails. And then if you have any questions, by all means, don't hesitate to reach out. Okay, so Module 6 Introduction, you've got an introduction to the content of the week, and then you've got the guide. We'll take a look at the resources, and we'll take a look at the peer review discussion. You'll notice that there's nothing else that's major due this week. There's no major assignment, only the discussion, because you're going to be focusing on editing the first analysis draft that you've submitted, the 5-1 assignment, and then preparing to then write a second draft to your second audience of the same document, right? So let's take a look at what we've got here. Okay, Module 6 Introduction. The learning objectives are to adapt written communication based on the needs of a different audience. And then we've got the module overview, how to go from writing to the bosses to the employees, for example, how to refine your audience. Like, so you're going to start with that first draft. You're going to edit it based on my feedback and then hold it. Then that one's done. And then the idea is to take that draft, like copy it, paste it into the bottom of the document. So you have like the 2 drafts in one file, and then rewrite it for audience 2. It doesn't mean you change every single word, but what it means is that you change key features, maybe particular quotes, maybe you have a slightly different thesis, maybe your argument's a little bit different, because your audience has changed. So that's what we're working on this week. Okay. I'm talking about feedback and peer review. In your discussion, you're going to post some of your content from that first draft, and you're going to talk about the changes that you'll be making. So this is an overview of what you'll be doing in the discussion itself, revisiting the audience, the writing situation there. You'll see that you've got some resources from the book, How to Write Anything, Shaping an Introduction, Drawing a Conclusion. And we've got critical reading strategies. This just additional support. It's like a 2-minute video. Then here's the peer review itself. And what you'll do in here is you've got 1 post and 2 responses. Posts are always due Thursday, responses due by Sunday. And use the first audience draft that you submitted and share the part of the introduction that focuses on attracting the audience. State who your intended audience was, explain how you plan to change that section for audience 2, right? Because you're writing 2 versions of the same analysis text, one for your employers, if that was your first audience, and one for the employees, if that is your second audience. And that is what you'll be working on this week. It's a lighter week as far as the gradable discussion, the gradable assignments on your end, because I'm going to be working hard to try to get you some feedback on the drafts that you've just posted. So if you have any questions for me, don't hesitate to reach out and let me know. I'll look forward to seeing your work this week.